All right, good morning. Much better day today. I'm actually super pumped because I think we'll be able to actually make a fully working example of the edit PR tool. If I can remember it was it heuristic monad? We have a thing like you actually have to make a commit for the card here to update. So we're going to make, there's a suggested change here so that we actually make some sorting based on when the branch was created, so that it's easier to find branches you just created but didn't commit anything on yet. Here we go, here it is. Oh my god, I had a really weird experience last night. Let's see, new terminal. Oscar is home with a fever still, and like gave him a pill yesterday to reduce the fever, and you know, you kind of sweat like crazy when you get, it's so weird. You take a pill, you have a high fever, you get a pill, and then suddenly you're sweating out all the fever. It's so weird. Anyways, he got, well, we think he got something called night terror. I've only read about it, and it was the most absurd experience because it was like he saw like the devil himself. Like, I've never seen a child that scared before, and it was so weird. And I, like, since he had a fever and everything, I kind of, you're not supposed to pick them up when they have this, but I didn't identify it right away, and he had a fever and everything, so I picked him up, and it was like he was so afraid. It was insanely weird. But yeah, he came around, pointed downstairs, which means I need banana, and then he got banana, and then he fell asleep, and everything was okay. So that's good. Anyways. Oh, that's weird. I actually do have a commit here, and the dashboard didn't update. That is weird. Anyways, so I made some changes to, we had a blocking thing to finalize it, and the blocking thing was the actual change types, or the file changes, like was the file modified, deleted, added, renamed, and so on. So I actually fixed that yesterday. So now you can even see it's faded out if there aren't any changes on that commit for this file. And I also made a change to the actual typing once more. I'm like, now this is how it should have looked all the time, or all along. So what we have commits. Like, we have commits and we have files. These are the files. And each file is a path with a set of hunks, with a set of actual file changes, like modified, added, deleted, and it has initial contents. So I love this. And then we just manipulate each file, and we send this PR data back to the server to rewrite the history, which we're going to work on now. Now, what's interesting is how we, so when we, the way this works now is that when we move hunks to a previous commit, for example, what we do is that we update those hunks, and then we update the changes by passing in the existing changes for that file and the updated hunks. And what it does is that it builds up this record of changes by SHA index, so that first we infer what is actually modified changes by going through the hunks and looking at which in the SHA index is each hunk on, and then we add that as a modified type of change. And then we sort the SHA indexes, and then we go through, and we need logic here, because if the file was originally added, so imagine like you added a file on SHA-index 2, but then you moved a hunk to SHA-index 1. Now you have a modified SHA-index 1 and you have an added SHA-index 2. We want to make sure that SHA-index 1 is represented as added and SHA-index 2 is now modified to kind of reflect the final result. So that's what this piece of logic does. And then if we have a deletion or a rename, we have to make sure that those are still part of the changes. So currently you can't move, what did I do? So currently you can't move a deleted and renamed file to different SHAs. That's something we can fix, but that's more of a UX question than technical question. Because now you can only move hunks. We don't have a concept of like moving a change, a whole change in a commit. So that's for later. But what we can try to do now is take a look at the actual rewrite. And I think we should be able to like just run this now, because what it does is that it passes the updated data. It resets and like this is a very brute approach. And we can add other strategies here. But now it actually resets the branch to its original state. And then it goes through every commit. For every commit, it goes through every file. And then if it's if the change type is deleted on that SHA index, it will do a removal of the file. If it's a rename, it does a rename of the file. Or if it's like added or modified, it just gets the contents of the file and it writes it. And when it has done that for every file in... Do we actually check that we're on the... Oh, I don't think we're actually... Yeah, we have to check that. Why am I doing this? Yeah, I think I added this before. Let's see. So file changes. Yeah, find. Yeah. So this was old. We just have to check. Well, SHA index. So we just want change type on SHA, which might be undefined. We might not have a change on that SHA. So if we don't have that, we just continue to the next file to see if that file has a change on this SHA. This is how it should look. So we go and we figure out, does this file actually have a change on this SHA index? And if it does, we do these checks, we update the file system. When we're done with the files of one SHA index, we do a git add everything, and then we commit that with the commit message of the commit. And then we should also, of course, push this, but for now I'm not going to do that because I want to look at the history and see if it actually does this correctly. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually commit this first so we don't lose it. So let's see. Ready to rumble. Okay. So let's so one thing I reflected on is that we actually do need the server to be stateful. Yeah, so I think we're actually going to separate, let's see, we're actually going to move this. We're not going to have rewrite, we're going to have changes, and we're going to have a get and a post instead. So we always need the current branch anyways. So if rec method equals get, we're going to do handle get changes. We'll pass in the rest there. Else if rec.method equals post, we're going to handle post changes, and this will be rec. Well, I guess we can stringify, no, parse. That's the thing. We're going to parse, and we're going to do a try catch around this. Catch, yeah, whatever. Rest will send 500, like something really bad happened. Status. Yeah, I think we can just send the status. So let's say const handle post changes. That would be this piece of logic where we actually get let's just pass in the rec. Oh, this should be async, by the way. Let's just pass in the rec and the rest on both of them, just so we kind of have them. Cool. And then fs, fs promises. It's really hot here today, which is nice. Get lines and diff by show index. I love how the code ended up. It's actually really, really nice. And then we have handle get change and export con handle get changes, which is also async, and we need both of the thingies. Yeah, renames. We're not using that. Oh yeah, we need git here. Yeah, so what I think we should rather do is, do we have top level await now? I don't think I have the node version that supports it. How should we do this? How should we express this? Because this is like common to both of them, but we could actually do this. The thing is, we need to make it stateful. So when it fires up, it should just know about everything. Like even the get here, we shouldn't really do that on the request. We should do it when it fires up. Yeah, I think we can actually, let's see. Get current branch. Or current, yeah, okay. Current branch is a new promise. We have initial data is a new promise. So this is a promise of PR data. This is a promise of string. Yeah, we should do this, and then resolve reject, because we have to know if the posting fails. We have to know. One thing is that we can just sync up with remote, but you might have some pending changes, and those pending changes, those need to still be added back. Which reminds me, I think we have to highlight that a commit is actually pending. Like, does it already exist? Is existing SHA. We need that information. Let's see. Is existing SHA false? So unstaged stuff is false. But let's get this done first. So we have this stuff. So first we have simple git. We can instantiate that up there. Then we have grabbing the branch. That's a promise. And we'll just do this right away. This can be async. So this will be a reject. Or we would resolve current branch. Like this. Well, oh yeah. If current branch, that's better. We resolve, else we reject. Cool. So now we have the current branch. And then initial data is actually all this stuff. Oh wait, we have one thing. One thing is, I also want you to be able to make changes and just refresh. Now you won't be able to do that. If you refresh now, it just keeps the old state. I was actually thinking that it would have a file watcher even. So it would actually automatically know if something has changed. But that's like, maybe it's not necessary. Yeah, so maybe this is opposite. So we have the getter that actually produces yeah. Okay, so I think this needs to be a little bit different. Yeah, maybe this just needs to be PR data or undefined. This is still perfectly fine. But initial data can only be, yeah, because I do want that data to update every time. Oh, fuck, status files. Oh, God damn it. We're getting the status. Oh my God. Yeah, and I guess that also needs to happen. Fuck's sake. Oh, I dive into, like, I really like iterating on expressing things correctly, but it prevents me from actually finishing stuff. Like, now I was just supposed to make this thing work, and now I start restructuring things, and then we hit these little snags like, okay, I used the Git status here to get the current branch, but oh, oops, I actually need it down here as well. So where do we actually put the status? Oh my God. We could ask for it. We could just do it twice. handle get change, because we don't know when this is being hit. Like, it can be hit initially, which makes this status irrelevant, but it might also be just a refresh where yeah, so let's just await. Oh yeah, sorry. Await Git status files, and then await current branch. We'll do it like this for now. And then what we're going to do is, yeah, so when we produce the initial commits, here we go. Yeah, we should probably say PR commit here. Yeah, so it starts yelling, oh, is existing SHA true? What's happening? Oh, what happened there? Yes, and what we'll do is that we just say initial data equals response. Why are you complaining? Oh, it's a constant. So every time we refresh, we recalculate everything because things might have changed on the file system. But when we do that, we keep a reference to that state so that then if we were to do a post, we actually have access to the previously created data. That's fine. That's fine. Let's see if it actually runs now. It does. Cool. And then now we just need to do the post, and we need to, oh, why did it, yeah. What? Rewrite? Oh, this is interesting. Oh, god damn it, we have a bug. We have a bug. Why did it show this as pending changes? Oh, I guess it's because it was previously an addition. Yeah, but there we have a problem. We have to fix that. God damn it. Okay, let's quickly look at that. So how did it, first of all, why did it show that as deleted? And that was probably because it was added, and I didn't take that into account in the infer thing. So if change.type is added, we're saying it should be, okay, so we're getting all the SHA indexes that has affected this file. And that would be the addition. So we're getting that addition and we're forcing it to be on the first index. But then there aren't any pending changes. It doesn't actually send that it was deleted, does it? This is weird. Which file is it? Rewrite? Changes? Oh, it actually sends that it was deleted. Oh, and it was deleted, sorry. I forgot. We actually deleted it. Yeah, so this is actually... Yeah, so the weird thing is that Ready to Rumble should actually contain the initial contents of the file. But do we actually get that? Do we get the initial contents of that file? Oh, this is interesting. Rewrite. No, we don't actually get the initial contents of that file. So that's definitely a bug, but I don't think we're going to care about that now. Because but there is a bug with that. Let's write it as a to-do. Yeah, it's interesting. If file was previously added and then deleted, we do not see the initial content. And the thing is, like, you're not supposed to change the history, like the history itself. As I said, like, you're supposed to end up with the same result. So in terms of having a deleted file, I'm thinking that you don't even see the contents. You're just able to change which commit that deletion happened on. So yeah. Anyways, we're not going to care about that now. So let's get back to this. What we want to do is actually send the contents back now. So let's do that. We need a button somewhere. Where should we put that button? Up with changes, maybe? Let's flex that thing. Class name flex. Do I have? No, I don't have. What's it called? Tailwind. Tailwind CSS IntelliSense. Is it running? Yeah. Between. Justify between. I think so. Update. Nice. A margin to margin X to BG green 500 or something. Wow, that's beautiful. I think we can do this. And then we have padding to nice. Items center. I'm getting my CSS skills on here. That's nice. Border radius. What was it? Radius? No. Rounded. Cool. Yeah, I think like PY, PX for that's typically a little bit better. Okay, I think that's okay. Update. It's kind of a silly button, but when you hit that thing, we do we have? Yeah, we have the data here. We basically just want to send the data to the server. So we're going to do a fetch to API changes, but we're going to do a post and headers, content type, application JSON, and the body is going to be JSON stringify data. I think that's it. That should send the data to the server. And maybe we should log a little bit what happens on the server, so that we kind of see. Let's see. Resetting branch. Resetting branch. Applying commit. Applying commit. Applying change. Type to. Applying change to file path, and then change type. staging and committing. Okay. Yeah, as I said, we're not going to push it because we need to see if this actually does what it's supposed to. So maybe we can do some kind of simple thing. Yeah, we can move. Yeah, this is a good one. So now we want these dependencies to rather be put on handle no commits. And it's kind of cool. You see it actually updates up here. Now there are no changes to ready to rumble, and there are changes to handle no commits. So we did that now. Run the update. What the hell happens here? Unexpected token. Okay. What did we actually... Did I do something wrong with the fetch? That would be typical. Or does Next.js maybe already parse it? Let's try again. Packagejson, ready to rumble. Move it over. Update. Network. Payload. Yeah. Yeah, I guess it's on this side. Oh yeah, and we don't need this. We can just say await current branch. Yeah, do we even care about current branch? I think we actually... Oh, it's the initial commit hash we actually care about. So let's rather do that. Because that won't actually change, or should at least not change. There we go. So we're... oh yeah, and then... Cool. Yeah, maybe we could even do this. Doop. There we go. So we actually await whenever we use initial commit hash. That's when we await. There we go. What the hell happened here? Why wasn't it able to parse? Oh, maybe I didn't parse it. I removed that, didn't I? Handle post change date. No, JSON parsed. Is it already parsed? That's what I'm wondering. No, what did I do? What did you do? What did I do? Bad revision? Oh. Wait a minute. God damn it. Now I'm breaking it. Why does it say that just because I moved it up there? Current branch. Oh, and I'm doing another... Maybe that was the issue. No, that shouldn't be an issue. What the hell did I do? What did I do? For fuck's sake. And command file git diff. Bad revision. Yeah, because it's an object. Oh, sorry. I'm probably using initial commit hash somewhere else. Yeah. Oh, maybe that wasn't the smartest move. Oh, yeah. Ah, yeah, that wasn't the smartest thing. Yeah, maybe we should. It's a promise. Okay, that was probably not the best thing for the code, but we have time to refactor that later. Okay, update. What the hell happens here? Okay, so it seems like, what's that plus thing? Does this mean it's a string, or does it? No, it's already, okay, so it seems that Next.js already parses it. It seems. So let's go to packagejson again. Boop. Update. Okay, so something happened. Oh, author identity unknown. Okay, so let's reset git reset branch to remote. No, I don't want to save any current work. So this will be, but it's not origin master, it's origin draft. We need to change the name of this. Heuristic monad. Cool. So what the hell happened? It wasn't able to. Yeah, author identity unknown. Oh, yeah, I didn't think about this. Author information yet. How can we make simple Git just use what you have? Authentication. The easiest way to supply username and password to the remote host is included in the URL. Okay. Pass one or more to the child processes spawned by simple Git. Oh. Oh, I think I need help with this. I'm going to ask a colleague. Let's see, where is he at? I'll give him a direct message. Bogdan, where are you? Running a simple git its own child. Well, I guess it's spawn. What did it say? Processes, I guess. Processes which does not have access to Git. It states in the documentation that I can pass environment variables. Do we have any environment variables? And oh, fuck, this is actually a bigger problem. Like, how would I make this generic? Would this actually work locally? Which is not authenticated with Git, it seems. It states in the can pass environment. Do we have an environment variables and projects? Make this work. Okay. This is beyond me. I thought it would just, even though the process is spinning up yeah, enable to auto detect email address. Please who you are. I got this error. Maybe this would actually work locally. Maybe we should, like, we're doing something very special here, so maybe we should just try opening this locally and see if it works. At least I've asked Bogdan, a colleague of mine at DevOps. So let's just do I even have it locally? No, I don't. So let's code. Feels wrong going local, but that's the way it is. Can I just open this now? Development, edit PR, git checkout. What was the name of the thing? Copy. We're gonna make this work. We have a demo tomorrow, and I'm going to demo this. One thing, by the way, I reason about is, oh yeah, we can't really see it. What's it? Oh, it's not running. It's really interesting. Like when you want to oh, now it's not deleted anymore. Isn't that interesting? Why isn't it deleted anymore? Oh, fuck. No, did we lose everything? Fuck. What the hell? But didn't I push ready to rumble? Pages, API. Huh? What? Didn't I? Oh, didn't I commit that? No. No. I didn't fucking commit it. God damn it. Did we lose everything? No. No. I can't believe it. Did we even lose the typing? What the fuck? Why didn't I commit it? Fuck. Okay, that just took me from up here and rock fucking bottom. Why didn't I commit that? I knew that I was going to reset. And I even said it, like, now we have to commit it. But then I made more changes and then I forgot about it. Is in history. I can't remember what I called it. God damn it. That was super annoying. That was just insanely annoying. I have to pick myself up. It's difficult. I just want to throw everything out. God damn it. Didn't we fix a bug as well? No, we didn't do that. Fuck. I was sure I committed it. God damn it. Changes get handler. If rec. I'm still recovering from this. This hurt pretty bad. If rec method equals get, changes get handler. Changes post handler. One thing we can, I'm not going to do the full refactor. I'm just going to create one instance of the git process thingy. And then we'll just do this. Okay. Oh my god, that That was really bad. Yeah. And the statefulness, we'll deal with that later. I just want to start trying this. Why the hell doesn't the delete pop up here? Oh, now I'm local. God damn it. Anyways. Oh, god damn it. Whatever. Okay, so we're running locally now, which is fine. Oh, we have to add the freaking button again. I can't believe I forgot. I can't believe it. God damn it. Yeah, stop being so positive. It's like when my partner, when I'm like upset about something, and my partner is very like supportive, but it doesn't work. I'm like, stop being so freaking optimistic. Let me just dive into my unreasonably negative feelings of despair, and let me stay here for a while. Justify, center, item, center, button, update, class name was px4 py2 m2 bg, what's it called, green 500, something like that, rounded, medium, on click, fetch API changes, method post, headers, content type is application JSON, and the body is JSON stringify data. Cool. We should be mostly back to where we were. Oh, justify between. Okay. So now let's commit this before we start anything. Or add the logging and then console.log. Ja, men det går bra hvis han vil hilse på. Så. Hæ? Nei, bare streamer. He's home today as well. Er det? Men de rett på, så må han plutselig på det. Hæ? Det rett fot på det? Ja. Let's see. Handling commit commit.sha. Oh, sorry. Change is fine. Yeah, so this is correct. That's good. Handling change file path. Handling change on file path, and change type. Staging and committing. Let's see. Okay, cool. So let's now properly commit this. ready to test. Let's push that. We have it remotely, and then we'll do yarn dev, we'll update, we'll change the packagejson boop over there, and then let's hit update. Okay, so something bad happened there. Wow. It did so what the hell did it do? It created the wrong file contents, that's for sure. Yeah, and why did it actually... Oh, let's see what it did. Handling commit 0, handling change on file, index. Yeah, I have a feeling it produces the wrong content. Yeah, so this file suddenly has something wrong to it. Okay, so we're going to git reset hard origin. What was the name of the thingy? This one, copy. What the hell? Does that work? Yeah, that worked. Okay, so it was the index file. Let's see what... let's do yarn dev again. Index file. So it seemed... Yeah, the question is, where did it actually happen? So it's... where was the actual issue? On line 73. Unexpected token div. Yeah, maybe we should reproduce it and then look at the actual contents, because it seems... Yeah, we can't really see it here, that's the problem. But it might be one of the others as well. Well, I guess this one's okay. I wonder which one of them caused that error to happen. 73. Here we also update that file. But the contents looks just fine, doesn't it? Return. Yeah, maybe we can just copy it. Let's see. Oh, damn it. That doesn't work. Okay, let's try running it again. I need... oh, how would I debug this? It's not the best way to test this, because we're actually changing the app itself. I wonder... Yeah, one thing that's really bad here is that we're actually... Maybe we shouldn't do yarn dev when we do this, because it restarts the server in between us running this, I think. Yeah, let's do like, is there a non-watching mode for yarn start? Could not find production build. Okay, yarn build. Yeah, I think there's something wrong with the typing here, which is why it looks like this. God damn it. Faen! Helvete! Det var ikke så lurt.
Men det kunne, nei, men det kunne ikke noen vite her.
Faen, altså. Sorry. Jeg skvatt. Ja. Ja, vi grisa.
Men tror du det ble ødelagt, eller?
Ja, garantert.
Det tastaturet?
Ja.
Var det det nye, eller?
Ja.
Men, ja. Med kakaoen så fikk du på forsikringen, da.
Veldig artig. Ja. Men pappa, stopper streamen.
Kom da.
Men du går med mamma? Hæ? Det.
Sier du unnskyld til pappa?
Ja.
Jeg vet dokumentet. Pappa.
Ja, det. Okay, so that was my keyboard, everything ruined. Yeah. Let's see. I guess we'll just have... God damn it. Oh my god. That was super annoying. I have to clean this up. So we'll... Ah, god. Oh. Oh well, I never saw that one coming. But anyways, I'll stop for now and I have to clean this up and we'll have to try to wrap this up later or something. Bye.